This is my quilt named Ancient Gingko, and I just want to give you a little idea of how I went about designing this quilt. On the previous day, I had done some monoprinting with this jelly plate. I also had a rectangular one and all kinds of stencils, and I came up with this beautiful gray and gold fabric among some other monoprints that I had done. And I decided I want to try and use some of these beautiful fabrics. I put them up on my design wall and started arranging the fabrics. I did sort of a collage effect. I like this kind of a collage effect, but it just seemed way too busy. I decided to solve the problem by opening up this gold and gray fabric and using it as a background, and then just placing some of these other elements on top of it. And it just simplified the design a lot more. I started liking it a lot better. Here I moved that light gray panel with the circles on it around the quilt, and then finally cut it up, and you can see each little circle in a square is lined up at the bottom of the quilt, and I really liked how that turned out. It seemed to settle the quilt a little bit more. And then I just took things out. Here you can see it's pretty much ending up the way I wanted it. And then here I use the Sketch app on my iPad, and this helps me. I just draw quilting designs on top of the quilt before I actually do it, and then I can decide if I really want them or not. When I actually draw the quilting designs on my quilt, I just use very cheap chalkboard chalk. You can see it here. I sharpen it with a makeup sharpener, and it works really well. You can just brush it off very easily. And here is the final quilted Gingko leaf on the bottom, and here it is again on the top in the gold area. So that is just a brief glimpse into how I design my quilts. I just did kind of an Asian water design on the rest of the quilting. Here you can see that I like to hang them on bamboo hangers, and I like to put them into rooms in Photoshop so that people can see how they look. And here is my finished quilt. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see all the new videos that are coming out. Thanks.